So we seem to begin our day on the SLC. Not sure how I feel about that. And what's this amazing wombo combo? Bandit, MP Express, I believe. Huh. That was terrible. Headbanging most of the time. Sometimes no headbanging, but most of the time. Yeah. I just did this thing, which is not the Bandit at Yormir Island. And it was very rattly, but only at some moments, not always. The left tail is very fast too. So it's a bad coaster, but it's not that awful, honestly. Yay! Yet another Zampella disco. Flawless drop towers. Stand up, they hurt during the breaks. I am boldly getting a new credit. That was good. A little more forceful than I thought, and some cool laterals in the barrel roll in the middle of the layouts, like on the Helix actually. Van Helsing was pretty cool for a guest lower. Cute pacing, great sequence of elements, like, well, some of my favorite hairpin turns actually. So yeah, very guest lower until Carnan, I suppose. Let's move on to the family coasters. I had a lot of fun on the wide mouse for some reason. I was riding a very bulky guy, still so Kenny, and because I come on lap bar, shared lap bar, I had a lot of space with lap bar, so amazing airtime for some reason. Oh man. My ride on Bandit was quite bouncy, but exciting at the same time. Like, it's really wide and good pace. I think it's still a good ride, honestly. It's not the worst coaster on the planet by any means. Let's get some night rides on Star Trek, hopefully getting back seat. I had a fun time at Movie Park, really. It started off badly with some poor coasters, including an SLC, and some really bad theming too. But things improved quite significantly over the time, with Star Trek as the obviously highlight of the day. It's a really enjoyable coaster, actually. I would not recommend to go to this park as a priority, but you can combine it with Fantasyland or Haight or even Holiday Park, this is not such a bad park. I think the pros exceed the cons. I hope you like this vlog, and stay tuned for more content on Coaster Hipster.